Hi guys, I'm here with another video. This video is math. So it's area of triangles. First, if you want to know how to do it, you need to have a formula. Area equals 1.5 by width times height. I know this is not the best handwriting, but it's in computer. So, this is the height, and this is the width. So the first thing we need to know is, the first thing we need to do is 15 times 6, which is 90, and 90, and then there's like 1.5 in the formula after you multiply width times height, which is this. Sometimes they trick you and then just put like 11 here. You know, the diagram is like this. So we put 15, and they put 6. They might even put 11 there. So that's kind of tricky. When you like, they kind of trick you there. So this line here, right? Yeah, that's the height. And the one with the bottom, you can even twist it like that so you can understand it more. So 90 by 2 equals 45. So it's the answer. You just have to divide the multiplication by 2 and you get the answer. See? Here's another example. Look, they put the trick question here. Like there's like 9. So what you want to do is just ignore it and follow this. This is the height and this is the width. So 4 times 4 equals 48. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So that's the answer. So it's simple. Just follow the directions and you'll get it. This is a question for you to solve. So I'll see you all next time. Let me just